Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Hello, everybody. All right, for today, we are going to be doing the phonics stuff. We are going to be studying the sound of each letter. For today's lesson, I will give you the examples for the sound of the letter S, letter A, the letter T, and the letter P. First, we shall start with the letter S. Letter S is pronounced as S. Remember snake. S. S. S is for snake. Snake. Okay, so for S, there are a lot of words that you can form the word with. For example, we have like stop. How shall I write this? Stop. See? We also have see. S-E-E. See, for example. S. S-E. Stop. 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 You can also write one example such as sing. S-I-N-G. So the sound of S should be s. Sing. 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 So remember, the sound of S should be s. It is like the sound of a snake. Next, we shall look at the letter A. The letter A. You can use A for a lot of words. For example, you can spell ant. The sound is ant. Ant. Another word you can spell using the letter A is apple. A-P-P-L-E. The sound of A here is It's the same as in ant, which is the small little insects that you call ant. This is it. Doesn't really look like ant, but still do. So we have here apple. Apple. Another word that you can use to spell using the letter A, alphabet A, is, for example, arrow. Arrow. The sound here is the same as in apple. Arrow. Arrow. This is a picture of an arrow, I think. So there you go. A, and the sound. The letter is A. The sound will be ant. Apple. Arrow. Next, the letter T. The letter T will be pronounced as t. Just use the tip of your tongue. T. One example of word that you can form using the letter T is top. So the sound of T should be t. Up, top. Top is like, maybe you guys know it as gasing, I guess. You know, a traditional game that you used to play. Top. Next word you can use by using the letter T is 10. Example is 10. Also, the sound is the same here. T, 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 N, t, N, t, N. Number 10, yes. See? Another word that you can form is maybe tip, yes. T, T-I-P, but the sound should be t, 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 ip, t, ip, tip. It's like using the tip of your tongue, the tip of your tongue to pronounce the word, the letter T. 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 Our next letter will be P. P. So the sound of P should be using both of your lips. You have to sound it like, it's like blowing some air out of your mouth. So P should be sounded as. Example of word that you can use to spell using the letter P would be like pen. Yes, yes, pen. N. N. So this is your pen here. Okay. Another word that you can use is pencil, yes. Pencil. Same here. The sound should be pencil, pencil, pencil. So this will be your pencil. Another word that you can use to spell using the letter P, for example, would be picture, I guess. Picture. Picture. So the sound of the P should be picture. See, this is a picture. This is a picture of you. Sitting in front of your laptop. Doing your homework right now. Laptop. Okay. So there you have it. The 4 letters S, A, T, and P. I've given you all the some of the examples of the sound and also how to use it in a word. So for the next task, what I want you to do is I want all of you to complete the task using this attachment that I've given to you. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 words for you to complete using the sounds that we have learned earlier. I will give you the answer for this one, the first one. So first one we have like NT. So you're not sure of what the first word should be, the first sound. So we've already discussed earlier about this, so I'm sure most of you, if not all, should know this answer by now. You have your like and. So the word that should be in front of here should be a, and. The sound should be and. So you have like 11 more tasks. 11 more words for you to complete. So please do this within a specific frame of time. You may do it whenever you are free, but by hook or by crook, you have to complete it and send it back to me in the Google Classroom. So with that, I bid you good luck and enjoy. Bye bye.